the wireless conveyance of energy and the art of energy harvesting, hold the potential for a universe where our devices persistently draw power and where we can transmit electricity wirelessly across substantial distances. The domain of medicine offers promising prospects in the domain of electromagnetic therapies and diagnostics. Pioneering methods, including the application of functional magnetic resonance imaging (fMRI) and electromagnetic interventions for the treatment of neurodegenerative disorders, possess the capability to revolutionize the healthcare sector, ameliorating the lives of countless individuals. The sector of transportation stands at the brink of a transformative era. Electromagnetic propulsion systems, exemplified by Hyperloop technology, vow to forge high-velocity and energy-efficient transportation networks. Furthermore, the evolution of electric aircraft stands to reshape the aviation industry, making air travel a more ecologically sustainable enterprise. The ethical underpinning of electromagnetism is fast gaining prominence. As electromagnetic technologies become more deeply integrated into our daily lives, inquiries regarding privacy, cybersecurity, and the ethical utilization of these innovations come to the forefront. It is of utmost importance to contemplate the ethical facets of a world imbued with electromagnetic progress. As we continue our electrifying odyssey through the realm of electromagnetism, we stand on the precipice of an era where this fundamental force will mold our existence in manners that challenge our wildest imaginations. Even the vast expanse of space, replete with cosmic wonders and celestial enigmas, remains subject to the dominion of electromagnetism. We embark on an astronomical expedition to delve into the role of electromagnetism in the cosmos. One of the most remarkable occurrences in space entails the interaction between celestial entities and magnetic fields. Planets like Earth boast magnetic fields that act as a shield against pernicious solar radiation, while other celestial entities, such as neutron stars and white dwarfs, manifest potent magnetic fields that wield influence over their environs. Celestial phenomena, such as solar flares and coronal mass ejections, derive impetus from the Sun's magnetic dynamism. These incidents disperse prodigious amounts of energy and particles into space, potentially affecting satellite communications, power grids, and even the ethereal splendors of Earth's auroras. Electromagnetic waves, those ethereal envoys from the cosmos, bestow upon us the means to scrutinize the vast expanse of the universe. Telescopes, which span the electromagnetic spectrum from radio waves to gamma rays, yield invaluable insights into the constituent elements, temperature gradients, and dynamic kinetics of celestial entities. Additionally, they unveil the celestial life cycle, chronicling both the genesis and demise of stars, the existence of remote galaxies, and the vestiges of cataclysmic occurrences such as supernovae and black holes. The exploration of our solar system leans heavily on electromagnetic technologies. Space probes and rovers communicate with Earth via electromagnetic signals, thereby endowing us with the capability to collect data from remote planets, moons, and asteroids. These missions further augment our comprehension of the cosmic realm and proffer a tantalizing preview of prospects for human forays into space. As we gaze heavenward, we persist in unraveling the enigmas of the universe through the electrifying conduit of electromagnetism. The art of efficiently harnessing and preserving energy stands as a cornerstone of contemporary civilization, with electromagnetism forming the very epicenter of this noble undertaking. Among the foremost techniques for generating electricity resides electromagnetic induction. Power facilities, irrespective of whether they are powered by coal, natural gas, or nuclear reactions, employ electromagnetic generators to transmute mechanical energy into electrical power. Eco-friendly sources like wind turbines and hydroelectric dams similarly repose their faith in electromagnetic principles to yield pristine energy. Moreover, the facet of energy storage assumes an indispensable role in ensuring a dependable power supply. Electromagnetic technologies, encompassing supercapacitors and sophisticated batteries, empower us to stockpile and discharge electrical energy with the utmost efficiency. These innovations are indispensable in facilitating the assimilation of renewable energy resources into our electrical grids. Dawning technologies, such as wireless power transmission, present exhilarating prospects. Electric vehicles stand to benefit from wireless recharging, and devices can be energized sans the need for cables or plugs. Electromagnetic resonant inductive coupling offers the means to transfer energy over short distances, thereby streamlining our quotidian existence. In the domain of space exploration, electromagnetism reigns supreme in the realm of energy generation. Spacecraft are equipped with solar panels that transmute the sun's radiance into electrical power, while radioisotope thermoelectric generators (RTGs) leverage electromagnetic principles to generate electrical energy from the thermal output of decaying isotopes. These systems proffer the vital energy reserves necessary for missions to the remotest frontiers of our solar system. From conventional power plants to pioneering innovations, electromagnetism endures as the vanguard of our quest for sustainable energy. Traversing the extraordinary realm of electromagnetism necessitates a profound grasp of the historical backdrop that has guided our current comprehension and utilization of this formidable force. As we embark on this intellectual journey, we delve into the archives of history, unveiling the tapestry of knowledge and innovation within the domain of electromagnetism. The narrative of electromagnetism enshrines the revelations and intellectual acumen of myriad individuals spanning centuries. From the age-old contemplation of the magnetic properties of lodestones to the pioneering experiments conducted by luminaries such as Hans Christian Ørsted and André-Marie Ampère, this saga is distinguished by inquisitive minds delving into the enigma of electricity and magnetism. Michael Faraday's contributions during the early 19th century assume paramount importance. His empirical inquiries into electric and magnetic fields culminated in the formulation of Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction, thereby laying the cornerstone for contemporary electrical engineering. This watershed moment marked the inception of generators, transformers, and motors. The elegant equations propounded by James Clerk Maxwell in the mid-19th century served to amalgamate the theories of electricity and magnetism, furnishing an exhaustive framework for comprehending the intricacies of electromagnetism. Maxwell's scholarly labor facilitated the prediction of electromagnetic waves, ultimately culminating in Heinrich Hertz's groundbreaking revelation of radio waves. The 20th century bore witness to the enduring influence of electromagnetism. The advent of electronic components, exemplified by transistors, paved the pathway for the digital era. Innovations such as the integrated circuit microchip spearheaded a revolution in computing, while the advent of the Internet connected the global populace in previously inconceivable ways. The union of electricity and magnetism, epitomized in electric lighting, has transcended its utilitarian function to emerge as a canvas for artistic expression. From the neon illuminations that embellish urban thoroughfares to the captivating luminous installations in contemporary art, electric lighting has metamorphosed into a medium for artistic creativity. Electromagnetism has profoundly resonated in the realms of sound and music. The iconic electric guitar, synonymous with the world of rock and roll, relies on electromagnetic pickups to transmute string vibrations into electrical signals. Synthesizers and electronic instruments have revolutionized musical composition and performance, offering an infinitude of sonic possibilities. The advent of electromagnetism wrought a transformative impact on the tapestry of storytelling. Radio dramas, epitomized by Orson Welles' legendary War of the Worlds broadcast, harnessed electromagnetic waves to transport listeners into realms of imagination. Television and cinema alike hinge on electromagnetic technology for broadcasting and projection, breathing life into stories on screens that span the globe. In the realm of literature, the concepts underpinning electromagnetism have acted as a wellspring of inspiration for science fiction scribes, prompting them to venture into futuristic realms. From H.G. Wells' The War of the Worlds to Isaac Asimov's I, Robot, electromagnetism assumes a pivotal role in the conception of futuristic technologies and the crafting of imaginative universes. Furthermore, artists have embarked on a voyage of exploration, delving into the visual and auditory facets of electromagnetism through installation art and interactive exhibitions. These creations frequently beckon spectators to interact with electromagnetic forces, engendering unique sensorial encounters. From the radiant luminescence of metropolitan vistas to the pulsating cadence of music and the imaginative domains of speculative literature, electromagnetism has indubitably etched an enduring impression on our cultural fabric. Traversing the myriad facets of electromagnetism, we have encountered its remarkable applications and its historical eminence. We now delve into some of the persistent enigmas that continue to engross the intellects of scientists and researchers in this realm. Dark matter, a substance constituting a substantial fraction of the universe's mass, endures as one of the most profound conundrums in astrophysics. While dark matter does not directly interact with the electromagnetic spectrum, its existence is deduced from gravitational influences on observable matter. Deciphering the intrinsic nature of dark matter presents a tantalizing conundrum for scientific inquiry. Another abstruse puzzle lies in the quest for a unified theory that amalgamates electromagnetism with the other fundamental forces, namely gravity and the robust and feeble nuclear forces. Albert Einstein's visionary pursuit of a theory of everything remains an elusive aspiration, with researchers diligently laboring on conjectures such as string theory and quantum gravity to attain this profound unification. The phenomenon of superconductivity also enthralls as an enigmatic riddle. Certain materials, when subjected to extreme cryogenic conditions, exhibit the remarkable capacity to conduct electricity devoid of any resistance. Comprehending the underlying mechanisms of superconductivity carries profound ramifications for the efficacious transmission and storage of energy. Furthermore, the comportment of electromagnetic fields in extreme scenarios, such as those encountered near black holes and neutron stars, poses a formidable challenge to our comprehension of the fundamental laws of physics. Electromagnetic radiation proximate to these colossal celestial entities proffers hints toward the enigmatic essence of space-time. Within the domain of quantum electrodynamics QED, the theory expounding the interplay between radiant energy and material entities at the quantum stratum, precision measurements, and computations persistently unveil nuanced phenomena that challenge our comprehension of the electromagnetic force. We illuminate the enigmas that persist unresolved and the ongoing scholarly investigations in the sphere of electromagnetism. While significant strides have been undertaken in elucidating this fundamental force, the mystique of the uncharted continues to impel scientific exploration and revelation. As our dependence on electromagnetism deepens, so does the ethical quandary surrounding its harnessing, and the attendant responsibilities thereof, invite our scrutiny. In the realm of ethical contemplation, an issue of paramount concern emerges: the ecological ramifications of our electromagnetic technologies. Ranging from the accumulation of electronic refuse to the voracious energy appetite of data centers, our relentless pursuit of technological progress begets repercussions for our planet. Ethical imperatives dictate that we bestow priority upon sustainability, endeavoring to curtail the environmental footprint etched by our electromagnetism-propelled innovations. Privacy and cybersecurity ascend to preeminent stature in an interconnected global milieu. The collection and transmission of data through the conduits of electromagnetic technologies raise apprehensions pertaining to personal privacy and the latent exploitation of data. It becomes an ethical obligation to formulate guidelines that safeguard individuals' rights and fortify the sanctity of confidential information. Moreover, the equitable dispensation of electromagnetism-infused technologies assumes the mantle of a global ethical quandary. The act of bridging the digital chasm and ensuring universal access to the benefits of electromagnetism stands as a moral imperative. This endeavor necessitates the redress of quandaries concerning affordability, infrastructure, and education. The ethical dilemmas extend their sway over the domain of healthcare, where the deployment of electromagnetic technologies in diagnostic and therapeutic applications warrants judicious consideration. Issues entailing patient consent, data fortification, and the conscientious deployment of electromagnetic medical apparatuses loom large in the ethical underpinning of the medical profession. Within the realm of artificial intelligence and automation, electromagnetism assumes a pivotal role. The ethical hurdles posed by AI, including partiality, transparency, and the attribution of responsibility, necessitate a comprehensive response as we weave these technologies into the tapestry of society. This accentuates the compelling necessity of addressing these concerns, ensuring that electromagnetism remains a force that contributes to the welfare of humanity in a conscientious and ethical manner. With this, we conclude our odyssey through the captivating domain of electromagnetism. From its scientific bedrock to its technological applications and the ethical conundrums it raises, electromagnetism stands as a force that shall persistently mold our existence in profound ways. In the intricate mosaic of our global panorama, electromagnetism serves as an adhesive thread that unites individuals across the expanse of the Earth. Communication forms the bedrock of human interconnection, and electromagnetism has irrevocably transformed our modes of interaction. Commencing with the inception of the telegraph, which interlinked continents through the transmission of electric signals, to the ubiquitous reach of the Internet, electromagnetic undulations have obliterated geographical divides. We now engage in real-time dialogues with denizens residing on the opposite periphery of the planet, obliterating geographical encumbrances. This newfound interconnectivity yields profound implications for global culture and diplomacy. Social media platforms, for instance, empower individuals to forge connections, disseminate their narratives, and mobilize for societal and political transformation. Electromagnetism confers the capacity upon individuals to partake in a worldwide discourse that transcends national borders and ideological demarcations. The impact of electromagnetism on the realms of entertainment and the arts serves to fortify human bonds. Online streaming platforms and digital interfaces have extended the reach of music, cinema, and literary works to a global audience. This fosters real-time cultural exchange, cultivating a shared global ethos. Furthermore, electromagnetism assumes a pivotal role in the realm of healthcare, facilitating connections between patients and medical experts and researchers. Telemedicine empowers individuals to access medical services from a distance, thereby augmenting the accessibility of expertise and enhancing healthcare outcomes. In the sphere of education, electromagnetism propels e-learning and virtual classrooms, affording students the opportunity to receive instruction from preeminent educators worldwide. Consequently, electromagnetism has metamorphosed the landscape of education from a localized endeavor to a worldwide sharing of knowledge. Our odyssey through the domain of electromagnetism has been an expedition of revelation, encompassing the scientific, technological, artistic, cultural, and ethical facets of this extraordinary force. From the inception of human inquisitiveness to the farthest extents of the cosmos, electromagnetism has been a perpetual companion, molding our existence in profound and multifaceted manners. We've scrutinized the inception of electromagnetism, delved into its profound connection with the natural world, and embarked on an exploration of its numerous applications in our daily lives. Electromagnetism has empowered our technological advancements, enabled scientific breakthroughs, and illuminated our comprehension of the universe. We've unraveled its manifestation in the realms of art and culture, exalting the manners in which it has served as a wellspring of creativity and fostered connections among individuals across the globe. We've grappled with its ethical ramifications, from concerns about privacy to the responsibility towards the environment, and we've contemplated the enigmas that persist in engrossing scientists and researchers. Above all, we've commemorated the role of electromagnetism in shaping human connections. From enabling global communication and the exchange of cultures to revolutionizing healthcare, education, and more, electromagnetism has engendered a world more intertwined and interdependent. As we culminate this odyssey, it is patently clear that electromagnetism is not merely a scientific principle but a force that unites us all. It molds our current reality and heralds a future characterized by unceasing exploration and innovation. From the diminutive devices nestled in our pockets to the grandiose mysteries of the cosmos, the influence of electromagnetism is an enduring and electrifying narrative that continues to unfurl. It serves as a reminder that the world is not a disjointed collection of components but rather an expansive, interconnected web in which electromagnetism, akin to a thread, weaves a tapestry of comprehension, connection, and advancement. We express our gratitude for your presence on this electrifying odyssey through the electromagnetic nexus. Should you deem this video informative or intriguing, kindly bestow it with a commendation, share it with your acquaintances, and subscribe to partake in further captivating sojourns through the domain of scientific inquiry.